In for the smaller opportunities, we trade smaller sizes. We'll scalp it. We'll scalp it with small lot sizes just to stay in the game. In other words, if it's an order flow trade and that's all it is, we'll scalp small sizes. We'll try and trade as a whole, as a floor trader. These won't make it into your Hall of Fame. So what we try and do is we try and get the big trades right, and we muck about with the scalps. We try and make some extra money on the scalps. We try and find the flow of orders. We try and find the easy money. We try and find the opportunities. Sometimes that's dead obvious. Like, for example, Top Edge Gold. We had a big max sell at $17.95. It's currently trading $17.88. So we've just done $700 on a max sell on gold. We got the trigger that we needed on the max signal that we got. Didn't really manage to run stops and didn't manage to run liquidity, but max got sell side and managed to make a fair amount of cash. That was after running the earlier stops. So there is a lot to understand about trading, and there's a lot to understand about you as well as a trader. You've got to try and get your head around the type of trading that you are, the type of trader that you like to be, the type of trader you like to do. And you've got to try and get your head around that as fast as possible, because until you kind of clear that with yourself, it's going to be very difficult for you to know what kind of trading you want to do. Do you want to be a big lot trader in small numbers of trades, or do you want to be a small lot trader in big numbers of trades? Do you want to pick and choose which trades to be in? Do you want to be focused on a certain time of the day? It's going to be very important that you try and get to that decision as quickly as possible, because you want to start making money as quickly as possible. And therefore, the more you fart about with these decisions, the longer it's going to take for you to get to the point where you're actually doing business, real business, and you're consistent. Obviously, we're going to be taking a look at Max, the algorithm, this afternoon, in terms of how it processes the concept behind it, not specifically the trade itself, but the concept behind the trade. That's to help me kind of clear what it is I'm going to be wanting the boys to work on tonight to try and get the final piece to the jigsaw puzzle. And it's done brilliant. We've got a sell on the Max, on the S&P at 12.5, guys, 12.5. It's just traded 67.5. So we have absolutely bolted up with an absolute ripper. Absolute ripper, guys. 47.12s to 67.5s. Enormous sell side profits. And I'll be able to show you the max trade that took place. I'll be able to show you the trade, the logic behind it, and a very, very simple triggering mechanism which we've looked at, which we discounted. We discounted it as a trigger, but I'll show you how easy it is to spot these. 45 points of profit, guys. 45 points of profit. $2,000 of profit on the last max sell trigger. And that's not including the buy trade that we got at the cash open. Crazy good stuff, guys. We'll show you that at 4 o'clock.